And I think we spoke with your colleague, Dr. Coley at Idaho,
Dr. Michael
about
Cully.
this. Yeah, Michael Coley. Yep, about. So yeah, you need to get a product that is tender, a very high quality product, but also you want to be able to sell that and get the most out of that product in terms of color. So, and I think that's something to consider. And I made an example on my dissertation, on my defense. Let's say you're a retailer, you are in that world that, I mean, I buy, purchase, procure a lot of meat, and then I display it. I have my meat shop. It's good to understand, like, the more you age it, the less time of color life you're gonna have. So, and maybe there's some strategies for those folks that are saying, okay, I'm buying one truck of strip loins that are already, just to put an example, already 14 days of aging, which is good, first quality good. You need to just start thinking about, okay, so one truck, so how many pallets, how many boxes, and start thinking your logistics. Once it gets to your warehouse, and once you distribute that product to all the retail stores, and once that product is sold, I mean, it can pass another 15, 20 days. I mean, you don't know, but it could be to that extent. So it's important to understand, if you know that you may gonna have product that is aged that long, maybe start thinking about other strategies. Maybe you send it to the restaurant to cook it. Maybe you can use it in a different market, so you don't display it, and you don't lose any money by having to discount it, or by having to do something else with it. I don't know. That's it. I just wanted to have this as a more like a conscious, making people more aware of what they procure, so they can understand what to expect. It's more like a preventive. And when you had this conversation with Jennifer recently, we talk about preventive.